Profitable investing on a stock exchange, be it the Nairobi Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, or Johannesburg Stock Exchange, is dependent on how much information you have at your fingertips to be able to know when to take advantage of an opportunity that has arisen. The site live.mystocks.co.ke that has been bringing to you live data from the Nairobi Stock Exchange is happy to announce the launch of its portfolio manager, MyCDS Portfolio. To access a portfolio, go to the MyStocks homepage, which is live.mystocks.co.ke. Click on the Market Watch icon, toolbar at the top, then select MyCDS Portfolio. MyCDS Portfolio is linked directly to the CDS system, which therefore gives us an added advantage over the portfolio manager that we had on our former site, mystocks.co.ke, where you had to manually key in your portfolio. In this case, this new portfolio manager will provide you with an up-to-the-second valuation and collect data directly from the CDS database, giving an accurate position of your portfolio. As you can see from the screen, the portfolio manager gives you a snapshot of your entire portfolio. In the leftmost column, you have your securities. Followed to that is the holdings. The holdings reflect the actual number of shares you are holding of a particular counter. Balance free reflects the shares that are available for trading, or those that have passed the T+3 period for shares to become available for sale. The average cost column is an average based on all your purchases and sales up to this time. This allows you to appreciate is the price per share of each share on your portfolio. The latest price looks at the latest price as of trading. This figure is updated every 3 to 5 seconds during active trading. You also have the ability to look at your latest price based on the best ask or the best bid. All this is dependent on whether you're looking at selling or buying more shares. The fourth option on the latest price is what we call the what if, whereby you might want to look at a scenario on your portfolio in the event that a particular share's price rose to a certain value or dropped to a certain value. In this case, if we assume Cooperative Bank was to go to 25 shillings, what would the effect be on your portfolio? This figure does not affect any of your records at the CDS or within your portfolio. This only allows you to get an appreciation of the features available in looking at your market value. The investment column gives you the total value invested in the particular column, and at the bottom gives you the total amount of money currently invested in your portfolio. This figure is inclusive of commissions. The market value column takes your holdings and multiplies it by your latest price, which then gives you what the market value is today. In addition, we have factored in the cost of a sale commission, meaning that the figure shown here is the amount that your broker will transfer to you on sale of those particular shares. At the bottom of that column, as in the previous one, you have a total portfolio market value. We then have a column that gives you we then have the gain loss column, which gives you at a glance a feel of whether your particular counter is in a gain position or in a loss position. You will note that any counter that is in a gain position will be shown in green, and any counter that is in a loss position will be shown in red and in parentheses, just for emphasis. At the bottom of the gain loss column is a total figure indicating by what value your portfolio is negative or positive. The percentage column shows the percentage gain or loss on your portfolio for that particular counter, and at the bottom of the total portfolio. The last column shows you your allocations. What your allocations are is what percentage of your total portfolio is held by that particular counter. We have gone a step further on the allocations and provided you with a chart that gives you at a glance a quick appreciation of which counter dominates your portfolio. Thank you for watching this video, MyCDS Portfolio. We welcome you to watch subsequent videos which will look at the transaction statements, attribution analysis, and alerts.